You've definitely heard of brain rot and our attention spans being less than a literal goldfish, but you never found it in you to do a dopamine detox. Well, you've stumbled upon the right video. I'm not here to tell you what you already know. Stop scrolling, be more productive, journal, not any of that. I've always wanted to be able to work for 1 hour straight with zero distractions, to be able to hyper focus on one task and not end up doom scrolling. That way I'll be able to do all the work necessary to get my dream grades, retire my mom from my YouTube channel, and be more respected by everyone. That's great and all, but what's this extremely fun magic method to boost your attention span that you promised, Jay? Remember how I said 1 hour straight? Yeah, do something for 1 hour straight, not gay, straight. Whether that's listening to a podcast, or watching a movie, or even a series, like my friend who watches movies on the daily, or my other friend who can't stop watching Ninjago. Yes, a self-improvement YouTuber telling you to spend 1 hour not on the Sigma grind set, but actually enjoying yourself. It's even more fun if you do it with a friend. But, big but right here, you have to do this with zero distractions for it to work. Watch a movie, but only watch a movie. That means no constantly opening your phone checking for notifications while the movie is playing. Just you with maybe your friend and the movie for 1 hour straight. That's literally it. The way this works is that it trains your brain to be able to focus on one thing and one thing only, so that when you actually do the work, you're actually able to do the one thing, being the work, and do it without getting distracted. You don't have to do this daily, but this is so damn effective, it's not even funny, man. Not only do you increase your attention span and work better, you also get a lot of nostalgia from something like the Minecraft PewDiePie series, or inspiration from a movie series like Harry Potter. To this day, I still haven't watched Harry Potter, by the way. So go try this, and I hope you'll join me on this journey of chill self-improvement. That's just my default outros. Thank you, man.